You searched how to buy shares of Mama's Creations, Inc. Mama's Creations, Inc. is a consumer food and specialty bakery company listed on NASDAQ with the ticker MAMA. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and we'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, typically with an identity document, and add funds before purchasing. Use the platform search field and type the ticker MAMA to find the listing. Make sure you select the result that clearly shows Mama's Creations, Inc. to avoid the wrong asset. On the stock's asset page, check the company summary, recent news, and the price chart to confirm it's the correct company. Verify it lists NASDAQ and the MAMA ticker before proceeding. Click or tap Invest. Enter the amount you want to buy and carefully review the order details, including any fees, before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may execute when trading resumes. And if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before the order is confirmed. Once completed, your Mama's Creations position will appear in your portfolio, where you can monitor it. For convenience, the eToro link is available in the description if you want to follow the same demonstration steps.